let's create some yarn with these beautiful curls. I've got my dog's brush, I've got my spindle, I've got my bowl, and most important, I've got my Cotswold fiber here. And I'm going to show you how, using all these items, I can take this and make it into beautiful yarn. Look at those curls. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I do is I take the fleece and I take a curl just like this. Look at this. It's beautiful, beautiful fiber. It's a lot like mohair, but it's not itchy like mohair. So what I do is I just take my fingers and I just pick at it just like this. Open up the lock just like this. Don't want to chop my head off. Just open it up like that, and then I take Bentley's grooming brush and I just lay it on here like this. This is perfect if you're on the road, maybe you're on vacation, or soon we'll be sitting by the campfire, right? The first thing we're going to do is take a lock of curls and we're just going to open it up with our fingers. Just get it nice and airy, just like this. And then we're going to grab Bentley's grooming brush and we're going to lay it on there. Just treat it like a hand carder. Just lay it on there and then continue to do that with more locks, just opening them up. You could sit one afternoon and just take your bundle of dyed locks like this. This is 20 grams. And just sit and pick at them, open them up, get them all nice and airy. And then grab your brush and then put them on the brush just like you would use hand cards, except you've only got one. So, and then just keep filling that up. I've got some more locks here that I opened up already, so I'm just going to put them on the carder. Just get it nice and full. I was surprised how much you can actually get on a dog's grooming brush. Right through. See if I can grab another one. Just one more. There we go. Just like that. And then put it on a comb. Brush, not comb, brush. Like this. And then when you've got them all laying on like this, now you can take it off. Now, we don't have two, I just have one. If you wanted to use two and really use them like hand cards, you could. But I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to take it off, and as I take it off, I'm just going to roll it like this. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to draft it ever so slightly. I can't wait to show you when I start spinning what happens. There. So we got this, Now I'm just going to wrap it around my hand. It's all nice and airy. Okay, so now we're going to grab our spindle and we're just going to pierce the fiber like this. And then I'm going to sit it in my bowl. And I'm going to start my leader. And build up that twist, see? All nice and ready to go. Slide that fiber down on the shaft of the spindle. And now I'm going to start spinning. And you're going to find that as you're spinning this fiber, you're going to come to parts where there's just, the locks are just slightly still in a curly formation. And that's actually what you want. So I'm just spinning along here. See if I can come up to one. And I've got, you know, some thicker and thin parts. I mean, it's hand spun yarn. You're not creating a commercially spun yarn. Just keep spinning that on. See if I can come up to one. Okay, I think we're coming to them now. See, I've got some lumps there as I you know, spin. See, but when you're plying, believe me, there's so much that you don't end up seeing. And just keep spinning. There's the curl. That's what I wanted to show you. And there we go. So now I'm gonna butterfly it onto my spindle. And there you go. If you liked this demonstration, please subscribe and click the little bell and share the video with other friends, spinning friends, and take care. Bye-bye.